In this video, I'll guide you through adding an end screen to a YouTube video. While uploading the video, after setting the title, description, and thumbnail, click on Video Elements, then choose Add an End Screen. You can use a template or add elements individually like videos, playlists, subscribe button, or etc. Drag and position them as desired and adjust the duration. For an already uploaded video, go to YouTube Studio from your profile icon, then click on Content and select Video. Scroll down to End Screen and add elements or choose from existing ones. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.